This looks like cotton, but it's not. These fine silk fibers come from the fruit of a kapok tree. For many years, these lightweight hypoallergenic fibers have been used as stuffing for pillows, mattresses, and life jackets. Recently, with the yarn spinning technology improvements, we have been able to incorporate these short kapok fibers into the cotton blend. Kapok is a renewable resource. The tree lives for 60 years and it starts producing fruit after 6 years of its life. Each tree produces hundreds of pods every year. That gives economic value to the forest, an incentive for reforestation. The trees are a good source for carbon sequestration and reducing pollution. For those looking for friendly natural fibers, kapok is one answer right above our heads.